The autumn clock change is approaching and the clocks go back by an hour. Although it sounds like a dream for us parents to have an extra hour in bed, the reality is that little ones will still wake up at their usual time. If you're wondering how to plan ahead for this clock change with your little one's sleep, please carry on watching. You can either go with the flow and your little one will adjust to the natural timings over the course of the coming days. This works well for babies, toddlers and older children who have flexible routines and adjust well to changes in their schedule. Some of you may want to plan ahead of time so that you can adjust your little one to the new time. This works well for little ones who have regular routines or for those who are sensitive to changes in their routine. So the gradual method is to adjust your little one's wake-up time, bedtime, nap times, feeds, and meal times by 15 minutes later each day in the 4 days leading up to the clock change. Then, on the day of the clock change, you can put your little one to bed at the normal time. The faster method is to put your little one to bed 30 minutes later than they would normally sleep the night before the clock change. This may not guarantee that they're going to wake up 30 minutes later than their usual time in the morning, but it helps with that adjustment so that on the day of the clock change, you can put them to bed at the normal time. During this period, it's really important to expose your little one to natural light as much as possible. This will help to regulate their circadian rhythm. Also ensure that they're getting plenty of physical activity to benefit their sleep too. If your little one does happen to wake before 6 a.m. on the day of the clock change, it's best to keep the environment calm, dark, and as quiet as possible until 6 a.m. So whether you decide to go with the flow and allow your little one to adjust naturally to the time change, or you plan ahead, either way, your little one will be fine over the course of the coming days.